या नाज़रीन, मेरे साथ हमजा मलिक हैं। हमजा मलिक आज एक प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं सर मस्जिद में, जो कि वो बुलिंग पे है। हमजा मलिक, you want to tell about what is all about that program?
Sure. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hamza, and I'm one of the volunteers with Young Ummah. And Young Ummah is a youth organization that's been around for the last 6 years at the Surrey Jamia Masjid primarily. And the aim of this organization is first and foremost to equip our youth with the tools they need as Muslims growing up in the society, on how they can navigate their environments, their schools, universities, and to provide a space in the masjid where they can talk about their religion, they can talk about other social issues that they deal with on a daily basis, right, in varying capacities. So one of the things we've been talking about recently is having a program on bullying and harassment, and that's a program we'll be having with a friend, Hamza Ahmed, brother Hamza, who's coming from Richmond. He'll be speaking tonight on this subject. And in the future, inshallah, we plan on revitalizing and refocusing on a variety of issues that often go avoided in our community as Muslims. So we look forward to seeing you every weekend after Asr, every Saturdays, and soon it'll be after Maghrib in a few weeks as well. So, yeah, sure. Yeah, so we look forward to seeing you every weekend on Saturdays, inshallah. This is for the youth primarily, age 12 and up. So if you're a parent who has children that you want to be engaged in your local mosque, or if you're a youth that's watching this video, then please come on down. This program is open to all, and the format and the details will be on the Facebook page. Just follow them what we say.
It's on Saturdays, every Saturday.
Every Saturday.
What time did you say?
Currently it's at 7:30.
Okay.
But once Maghrib is earlier, we're moving it after Maghrib in a few weeks.
Yeah, Nazreen, right now it's at 7:30. Then as winter comes, the winter months and days are shorter. They keep changing the time. So keep watching the Lamra Pakistan.